video. Loving this look, the color as well. I decided to do passion flat twists, which was a bit of a challenge. Like, this one's like all right, but ultimately loving it. I saw the video from Curls for Curls on TikTok and I was like, I want to do that. She didn't put extensions, I did, and was feeling a little funky, wanted some color, and that's what I did. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. I'm starting off with dried hair that I washed the night before. These are the extensions that I'm using. I reapplied some leave-in conditioner and then my edge wax for the base of every twist and some oil. I decided to put some twist defining cream at the ends of every twist just so that I could put extra moisture for the time that I'll have this style in my head, which was like 2 weeks and a half. Pre-parting my hair has been something that I've liked doing recently, but I never get them totally straight. See how my hair just loves As I Am products? To make sure I get the most laid flat twist, I always use my Eco Styler Gel Olive Oil. And for the flat twist, I basically just separate one strand per twist into like 5 and then feed it in. You also have to know the direction of the twist, just because when you put it in, you have to twist it the opposite direction. So if you're going to do your whole flat twist towards the back of your head, when you install it, you have to twist the beginning towards the front. I hope that makes sense. I'm pretty sure my long nails did not help this process. I'm already not that great at flat twisting, so yeah. I don't grab much of my edges. I prefer just laying them down with some gel, just because I don't want to put that much tension onto my hair. I honestly tried to film better angles, but my fingers were all up in the frame. Do your edges with your gel of choice. I use the Eco Styler gel. laid them down for a couple of minutes, and voila. I also styled this hair in 2 different ways. I never let it really fully down, but here's one style. And the other style. That one I did a bit too tight, so you can make it a bit looser. Just a little tip from me. So this look is supposed to be versatile. I don't know, but we'll see. I'll probably like wear it like this most of the time. I could also rock it like this. This is giving me like Beyonce early 2000s, like say my name, like this look took me, I would say 4 hours. I was debating on how I was gonna put the hair in the back, whether it was rubber band or braid a little bit, then crochet. Ended up being rubber band and crochet, but I like it. I really like it. It's very difficult to put the hair in with this type of hair. It's just so slippery. It's like, I don't like the way it looks at the root. So that's why I opted for the rubber band crochet method. But yeah, it's cute. So the back I did with 2 strands. And then as I moved up, I did a strand and a half and then just 1 strand per twist, because it was getting kind of heavy in the back. So yeah, I only used a pack and 1/3. It's super long. This is 18 inches. I did not think 18 inches was that long. Like some packs you get 18 inches and it's like it's here, but this one is a bit longer. So yeah, I'm 5'6", I think. So this is where it reaches. Right above my butt. Loving it. Yeah, today is staying at home day, doing my hair day, and totally loving this style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.